Hey, what's up, guys? This is JY Smart Tech here again, and today I'll be explaining to you guys about what web components are, explaining what they are, and how business organizations use web components for efficiency. So here's the web components page, and to start off, web components are from a set of web platform APIs, which allows the users to create new HTML tags that are customized, reusable, and encapsulated for web pages and web applications. This basically means that it lets you create reusable custom elements, and this is very essential because before the web components, there were several complex HTML that was used to make codes for web development. However, there are far more advantages of using web components, like the functionality itself is encapsulated away from the rest of the code, and it can also be utilized in the web apps, creating efficiency. This is an example of why many business organizations like YouTube and GitHub use web components for their business and web developments. So being able to create reusable HTML elements can make the coding process extremely faster, easier, as well as increasing the overall business efficiency. The advantages web components can bring to the users during the process of development is very crucial because reusing the codes and quickly retrieving the useful stylized HTML to put into another place is much easier to understand and use. So the ability to put any type of code across wherever on the web component makes the process consistent and rapid. Also, using web components can prevent the developers from getting error messages while constructing the codes, which eventually decreases the cost in the business. And furthermore, there are four main specifications of the web components, and four specifications are custom elements, shadow DOM, ES modules, HTML template. And so it says the custom elements lays the foundation for designing and using new type of DOM elements. I think the best way to put this is that these are the ways to define the code that's been put in the development. And next is the shadow DOM, which defines how to use the encapsulated style and markup in web components. This basically means it's dealing with the style of the codes and how it is organized in the web development process. And next is the ES modules, which defines the inclusion and reuse of the JS documents in a standards-based, modular, and performant way. And finally, the HTML template defines how to declare fragments of a markup that goes unused at page load, but it can also be instancized later on the runtime. And more on the website shows the users how they can utilize the web components. So it shows all these different type of codes and like the elements the users can use. Shows how one can define the new HTML element with the new tag. Here is the creating and using a shadow root, which was explained on top at the shadow DOM. And so overall, web components are a standardized technology system that allows the creation of customized and reusable codes for development by sharing components across the company's development platform. And that's why I believe that current business organizations should utilize web components more for efficiency in their business and their web development. And so this was a basic walkthrough of what web components are and why businesses should utilize web components more in their development process. Thank you for watching this video, and remember to like and subscribe to JY Smart Tech. Thank you.